Hi everybody, it's Nikki without the store, and I'm on the RV toilet. Yep, that's right. I'm sitting here on the throne. I'm not using it. Come on. Most of us, even when the RV, we're not taking a shower every day if we're going on special trips, unless you're in a park that has full hookups. You're probably not taking a shower every day. And I hope you're out and boondocking and exploring and far from the world and far from the grid and having a great time. There's a little bit of hygiene tricks. Now, you've probably heard about these nice little baby wipes, and you can wipe your pits and wipe your butt, and that, it makes you a little cleaner and fresher, and it feels nice. You should be doing that throughout the course of the RV, not just on day 2 or 3. Start this on day 1, okay? So there's the first tip for you. Use some of these, use some baby wipes. Now here's the next tip for you, is these baby wipes, whether they say, or toilet wipes or whatever you're gonna call them, whether they say flushable or whether they say do not flush, either way, they are not flushable. Do not flush them. They do not dissolve. This paper, the choice, it'll say RVs and boats, RV and marine. That toilet paper decomposes super fast and dissolves super fast in your black water tank. And that's what you want. And you go to dump, all that stuff is already dissolved and it's just a pulpy mess, instead of these things that, even if they say flushable, they never dissolve. And you're going to be the laughing stock of the dump station. Use the toilet paper. Use the toilet paper until you are clean, just like you would at home. And then use one of these guys as the final wipe, and you throw that in the trash. That's the final wipe. You don't want any solids on that. This is the final one. It helps to keep you nice and clean and feeling good and feeling fresh. So happy 2-Tip Tuesday. Have a great next trip. Nice and clean, right? Yes.